Well, 4th of July has really become one of my favorite holidays, and last year I brought the kids out and we made a really fun mowing video. If you want to check that out, we'll leave a link up here in the corner for you. They wanted to do it again this year and I said absolutely. I'm so glad that they had fun doing that, and we want to just kind of take it up another level this year. So hope you enjoy. This is just a fun 4th of July Independence Day celebration video, and we're just gonna enjoy the mow. Here we go.
We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.
And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country.
Let us begin an era of national renewal. Let us renew our determination, our courage, and our strength. And let us renew our faith and our hope. We have every right to dream heroic dreams.
That was a ton of fun. I love having the boys come out here and mow with me, and they love doing it, and they love putting the American flags on their mower and having fun with that too. I think that's going to be a good tradition for us, and I look forward to doing that next year. The grass looks money right now. It just looks so stinking good, and I'm so happy with it. When you're in summer heat and you get a couple of days, you know, we've had maybe 2 or 3 days in the 80s. We had a day of thunder showers come through. We didn't get much rain out of it, but it sure brought the temperatures down into the 60s and 70s, and the grass was able to really just relax, and it shows. It is just fire right now. But on that note, I hope you guys have a safe and happy, fun Independence Day, 4th of July holiday. Enjoy it and take time to remember why we celebrate that and how important that is, and how lucky we are to live in this great country, the greatest ever. I love it. So that's gonna go ahead and wrap up the video for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.